Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. Today we're unboxing the Aloe Yoga Uplifting Yoga Block and Grounded No Slip Towel in the color Honeydew. Alright, so we picked up these few items on Singles Day, which gave us 30% off of the lowest price. Now, the honeydew color actually has been out for quite a bit, so they were extremely discounted, so I figured this was the perfect time to pick up these items I've been eyeing for so long. All of these items do come in many different colorways and are actually part of larger yoga gear sets, so you can find yoga mats, yoga straps, and a few other items associated with your yoga practice in all of these colorways, including the honeydew, which is this color. So first, taking a look at the Uplifting Yoga Block. This block is what Aloe considers their practice perfect support. It is a light green foamy block with a silver iridescent aloe emblem in the bottom right corner of both sides. Taking a look at the material and the finish of the block, we can see that it is a very smooth, not quite spongy block. It does feel luxurious, and it does have a line separation in between the width of the block, which I was not entirely expecting because all of the prior yoga blocks that I've used or that I've seen have been one consistent color. So we'll just go ahead and unbox our second yoga block. Wow, using the little tab that they include is so much easier, so definitely recommend. We can see that the material is the same. We're just checking out for consistency. It is typical to buy 1 or 2 blocks to support your yoga practice, because depending on what your practice looks like, you might need a block on either side for balance. All right, up next, we're going to take a look at the Grounded No Slip Towel. So the original brand that came out with these, I believe, was called Yogi Toes, and I remember using one way back when and thinking it was the greatest invention. This no slip mat towel is dual-sided. It has a slip-free or grippy material on the underside, and the top is very soft and plush, kind of in the same family as the yoga block. So they feel consistent, luxurious quality across. I have not tried it out for too long yet, so I can't speak to how it holds up, but at first look, it feels like it would be durable. Now you're getting the first glimpse of the underside, and it does seem to have kind of like a honeycomb shape of, for lack of better words, what glue would feel like if you put it down really thin. So that's the grip or the non-slip material that is going to make sure that when you put this on your mat with the grip side down, and then you do your poses or your yoga practice on top of the towel, you are not going to slip off of the towel, and the moisture wicking material of the towel gives you a little bit more stability in a flow. I also think this just provides another layer to protect your yoga mat and give you something else to wash and make sure that you're keeping a hygienic practice. All right, going ahead and situating our mat on top of our Aloe Yoga Warrior mat, we can see the general dimensions, the general fit. It is a perfect match. So if you do have an Aloe mat already, I do recommend picking up the matching gear. I was very hesitant for a very long time, but now, especially that they're on sale, I think it really is a good option, and they are even comparably priced to the generics. What's even more is that you can see my yoga mat is in neon yellow, and adding this honeydew green over top just makes it a whole different practice and really feels like a whole refresh to my yoga gear wardrobe. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe.